morning, everyone. I am Jyoti Sinha, Assistant Professor in Home Science. Today I am going to take class. The topic is child psychology. So first of all, I will give introduction of child psychology. Child psychology is the study of subconscious and conscious childhood development. Child psychology क्या है? It is a study of subconscious and conscious. माइंड जो है दो स्थिति में रहता है, कॉन्शियस और अनकॉन्शियस रूप में. तो चाइल्ड के उसी रूप का उसका कैसे विकास होता है उसके बारे में हम पढ़ेंगे. Child psychologists observe how a child interacts with their parents, themselves, and the world to understand their mental development. Child psychologists attempt to make sense of every aspect of child development, including how children learn, think, interact, and respond emotionally to those around them, make friends, understand emotions and their own developing personalities, temperaments and skills. Jean Piaget, psychologist, father of developmental psychology, उनका कहना है child psychology studies the process of attachment and bonding, and it considers how secure attachment will enable the child to progress in the development of self-understanding. How do babies and toddlers develop an understanding of the physical, biological, and social world that surrounds them? All these questions are sought out by study child psychology. The study of the mental status and process of children. Child psychology का definition है child psychology also called child development, the study of the psychological process of children and specifically how these processes differs from those of adults, how they develop from birth to the end of adolescence, and how and why they differ from one child to the next. Medical definition of child psychology क्या है? The study of the psychological characteristics of infants and children and the application of general psychological principles to infancy and childhood. Child psychology is one of the many branches of psychology and one of the most frequently studied specialty areas. This particular branch focuses on the mind and behavior of children from prenatal development through adolescence. This particular branch focuses on the mind and behavior of children from prenatal development through adolescence. Child psychology does not only with how children grow physically, but with the mental, emotional, and social development as well. Experts also differ in their responses to some of the bigger questions in child psychology, such as whether early experiences matter more than later ones, or whether nature or nurture plays greater role in certain aspects of development. Childhood plays such an important role in the course of the rest of life. It is little wonder why this topic has become such an important within psychology, sociology, and education. Experts focus only on the many influences that contribute to normal child development, but also to various factors that might lead to psychological problems during childhood. Self-esteem, self-esteem, school, parenting, social pressure, and other subjects are all the tremendous interest to child psychologists who strive to help kids develop and grow in ways that are healthy and appropriate. Environmental factors such as social relationships and the culture in which we live also play essential roles in psychology. So this was all introduction of child psychology. Now what is the scope of child psychology? The child psychologist conducts scientific research on the development of a child. They work with clients and tries to diagnose and treat learning disorders, developmental disorders, and socializing disorders by administering several psychological tests to the concerned children. A child psychologist's role has gained importance lately with the awareness of children's mental health issues and the impact on later life. The child psychologist conducts scientific research on the development of child, works with clients in tandem with the concerned elders, parents, teachers, and help them to manage the behavioral issues by providing apt solutions. A child psychologist gives counseling to students and help them in choosing field of study according to their capabilities and aptitude by providing guidance and information. Observe students and diagnose learning disabilities in them and provide suitable measures to overcome them. They conduct assessments and help students in overcoming their academic problems. They also guide the students by counseling them in case they are struggling with any family problems or social issues like racial discrimination or color discrimination or peer group pressure or ragging at school or in cases of child abuse. They help in building confidence and goal orientation in students and help in improving their academic performance through positive reinforcement. Jean Piaget Diaz was a founder of modern psychology, a psychologist whose great sympathy for children and keen observation of how they cope with the world made him a principal founder of modern child psychology. The child psychology helps not only to develop unique techniques that apply to every child, but also gives special attention to those who have learning deficits like ADHD, autism, etc. A study of child psychology child psychology helps the teachers to identify the main reason of delay in mental growth of children. So this is all for today. Thank you. If you all have any question, you are free to ask anytime.